How to create e-signature in Adobe Acrobat. First of all, you have to open up Adobe Acrobat in your device. After you open it up, you will land on this kind of interface. So here you have to open up your document or PDF where you want to create the signature on. So for example, I just have my PDF right here under the recent section. If you want to work with a PDF, you can click on open file. After that, from your device, select your file or PDF that you want to work with. Then select your document, and if you navigate to your right hand side, there you will have an option as fill and sign. Click on it. Then navigate to your right hand side, there is a section as add signature. Click on it. Then you will see this kind of interface where you can type your name or draw your signature or insert any image as well. So for now, we will just draw a signature. So that's how you can draw a signature with the help of your mouse or the cursor. Once done, click on apply. And there you can see the signature has been added, and you can place it wherever you like in your document. There you go. And that's how you can create a signature in Adobe Acrobat. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.